zero mileage. Every car in here. Wow. Every Ferrari. Man, this is really like Dubai. It's really Dubai shit. We got the Bugattis over here.
This one. I said, Khalifa, I said, what are you doing with this? He says, Bonji, it's investments.
Wow. This one is nice.
I'm telling you, it's better than
Sterling Moss right here.
Yeah. Yeah, this is something you get in the US.
No, this one right here is Sterling Moss.
Yeah, they didn't get it in the US.
Wow.
Unbelievable. I've never seen a car
55.
thing like this one.